Looking to give your boat's dashboard a clean, professional look? The ICOM stainless steel flush mount kit, part number MB132, is designed specifically for M324, M424, and M506 marine VHF radios. It's the perfect solution if you want to switch from a gimbal mount to a flush mount, creating a seamless, built-in appearance that keeps your radio secure and out of the way. I've seen firsthand how this flush mount kit changes the game for boat owners who value both style and functionality. Made in Japan, this kit includes all the hardware you need for a straightforward installation. The stainless steel construction not only looks sharp but also stands up to the harsh marine environment, resisting corrosion and wear over time. It fits snugly into your dashboard, thanks to horizontal adjustment screws that let you fine-tune the placement for a perfect fit. While it's priced higher than some alternatives, the durability and precision it offers justify the investment. If you're ready to upgrade your boat's communication setup, this flush mount kit is worth considering. It's especially handy if you have access to the back of your mounting panel, allowing for a secure, through-panel installation. While some DIYers might try cheaper fixes like plumber's tape, the professional finish and long-lasting quality of this kit make it a smarter choice for serious boaters. If that's you, take a closer look at the ICOM MB132 flush mount kit and see how it can enhance your marine radio setup.